UCC Soroti koibuga loko Soroti nesina imuka gabwi tolota ina petangun. Aina petanu kesapotege onos nepepeka bolia shokoto maniko somero. Ido imorarito sinuka imopira volleyball, netball nepepeka cheda erokitolo shaseo.
The Miss CCC 2023-2024. This is peaceful and beautiful handover.
Jono kwadi atupitone principal koto mosomero nesetacha unitebe aina petanu raiduchu kanwe jaune sisiakalu itetia koto maniko somero.
This is UCC Soroti extension of a program that we started in the morning with the football, the speeches we had there. So we don't want to have a lot of speech here. We have come here to enjoy ourselves and to watch these beautiful and handsome men do their thing.
Etimulo atubo kiuni opolokite wobik Patrick Odoch kesia poti sumuni kisaitoloto etubelo oponela jokan.
I want to welcome you for this great occasion. We are here to look for the most beautiful and the most handsome man. Because if you see the example here, I have two beautiful ladies and one serious handsome man. Okay, but I'm not contesting. If I was contesting, they would not win me, they would not win my ladies. Expect the best from us. We are going to be as honest, as transparent, and we shall do our work with due diligence. So believe the result that will come out of this bench. Thank you so much. I wish you the best.
Brenda Akello Kwape Miss Kakorebe Sekamanya Kwape Mr. UCC kesia potu ebu ikise somero Kwape sisiakalude temela sinoi luche kese moriarito stopista Tracy Kitui nepepeka alie lepar Kwape atupitok araibonati first runner-ups.
And I promise that since I've been on the Mr. UCC, I'm going to make an ambition and making students be courageous so that they should develop in such activities.
Ana Grace Ariongete nada rai atalan esishakalu nyese sinyiko kititunga da bonebe abolo nepepe kwapa natika no rai numame sangete ne ido ingara kinete itunga oingarene owailo da dumuna swamisine nure gitegeta.
This is to pave way in case you want to join the beauty industry in the nearby future. From here, it doesn't mean that it stops here. When you become a Mr. UCC, when you become a Miss UCC, it ends here. No, you can join in probably Miss Uganda, Miss Tourism Uganda, Miss Teso, depending on the tribe you are.
Kanuka TV East, Alfreda Tuau, Gabriel Asekun, Kobuga Soroti.